Hey everybody, we are going to make chicken noodle soup in the pressure cooker. Ooh, I can't fling that around because I already put parsley in it. My husband's sick. He has a bad cold, and sickness is going around, and so something that he can do, and we can do it quick in this, and he can take it to work or eat it before he goes. So first off, I have broth because I use bouillon cubes already in here, so we're just going to stir this up. Get that dissolved a little bit. I like bouillon cubes. That I think they have more flavor, to each their own on that. So I'm going to pour some of this in the pressure cooker. Not all of it, because we're going to add some ingredients to this. Put that aside. For mine, I've already cut up some celery. It's already cut up. We're going to put that in there. Carrots. I usually use frozen carrots, but these are canned. They're softer, so they'll still be all right. That's just one can. Look at that pretty micro picture. I already did the celery. So the celery, I showed this on a video. Celery has been in here probably almost 3 weeks now, if a little bit longer. It's still good as could be. So we're going to do the chicken. I already have some pre-cooked chicken here. I'm just gonna kind of take it through the chopper and chop it up a little bit. So this is the big one, and I have the little one. So the top is for both. So we're gonna take the blade guard off. Oops. I like my little one, but that way we can do this once. Sorry. This is gonna go in here and it locks. We're gonna put our chicken in here. And it's on there. I've got my gripper. That's what that other seal is for, if you don't read directions, so it doesn't slide everywhere. Look at it and see. Yeah. Into the pressure cooker. Oops. Kosher salt. Kosher salt. Oops. Or iodized salt. I like kosher salt. You don't need a ton of it, because the bouillon will kind of do that. And then we're gonna put pepper. And the noodles, you can do whatever you want. Now, I'll use white egg noodles and whatnot, but this time I'm gonna do it kind of like the packet chicken noodle soup. So I'm gonna use lo mein noodles. Because they're smaller. And I can break them up in this. Oops. I like tons of noodles in my soup. My husband is a filling. He doesn't want all the broth, he wants all the filling. So we're gonna put this in here. Let's just stir it up. And I'm gonna put more. Oops. Okay. So that is good. Right over here for now. We're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna lock it. And it's gonna go in the microwave. I'm gonna put it in there about 25 minutes and we'll be back.